Hi there, Serial Trader here. Just want to do a real quick update on the SPX wave count. And nothing's really changed from the last video as far as my outlook, but I just want to update some finer details here. So I continue to think that we're doing this triangle B wave just based on this sloppy sideways narrowing price range we've been in basically ever since early August there. So it looks like maybe the entire month of August will end up being this triangle pattern. And that can be very frustrating, well, basically for everyone except people that maybe are selling options, with the strike prices in this range. But that's not usually a good long-term strategy because, as soon as you get a breakout, those options you sold go against you pretty quickly. But if someone managed to do it this month, it was a successful strategy. But anyways, just getting to the outlook, what I'm seeing here is, okay, like I said, triangles. So we got A up, B down, C up, D down. And I think that we're working this E wave to complete that larger triangle B. Now, there's a few scenarios here. So right now I've highlighted one where we got this A up, B down, and we're working our final C wave up. And if that's the case, and we're going for an AC equality relationship off of B, that could bring us up to around 29.16, 29.17. And then we'll be looking for a pivot around that area and turning back down. And let's just see if this kind of lines up with a fib retracement of the D wave. And what do we got going on? Okay, so the 786 retracement, I'll get rid of the other two here. The 786 retracement of this proposed D wave also lines up with 29.16, 29.17. So that's kind of a nice cluster of those two relationships to look for. So as far as a trade entry goes, okay, first of all, if you're already short, you need to have your stop against this level here, which is the C wave extreme. That's at 29.39.1. So if you're short, just kind of let this ride out. Stay bearish against 29.39.1, and obviously if that level gets taken out, we got something else going on here. We got to reassess. But currently, I'm still liking this, liking the outlook. So I've shown you this, but let's delete all this now that I've pointed that out. And maybe we already have the E wave in place. It's still possible. And if so, okay. If so, we've already begun our decline, and we've had a little initial move down. Now we're having a quick pop up. And let's just see what that looks like as far as the retracement goes. So right now we're sitting around the 76 retracement of this little move down. So if you really want a tight stop, you can essentially be bearish against this level. And then obviously if you get stopped out, you'd be looking to reestablish higher up here in that initial scenario I point out, again with your stop at 29.39.1. But if you want to be extremely aggressive with a tight stop here, your stop goes against this level, 28.98.8. So I just decided to do that little update. We may end up staying in this range this week, as perhaps we need the next month to roll over before we actually get going to the downside. You often see significant pivots around the end of a month or the beginning of a new month, so that's certainly lining up here to potentially be the case. All right, just a quick update. I'll do another video on the weekend there. Serial Trader signing off.